bent the tie rod. Need to fix it. Won't need to go to the shop to do this, hopefully. I hit a beaver stump on the shore. Did that vein come out of my forehead? Whew. So yeah, I hit that stump and just bent it enough to screw things up. So we'll see if we can fix her.
How's the new tires?
New tires are awesome. It's amazing what 1 inch wider and 1 inch, well, 1 inch wider and 1 inch taller will do, which is only really half an inch on either side, right? But yeah, these are a very good tire. I'm extremely impressed with those cryptids. Not too impressed with these tie rods though. I barely hit the thing. Let's see. Oh yeah. Bent it right and it gets in stuck in the boot. See that? Can you steer it now? More or less just wants to go straight. 19 mil. Take that off. She's bent a lot. We used to do this, you know, if we're out wheeling with the trucks with the big tires on them, 36s or 44s, you'd bend a relay rod or your tie rod or whatever. You just, it's starting to spin now. You just go and take it off and whack it against a tree, straighten it out. Well, that might do it. The old mighty oak.
Oh.
Still want to ride today. Got more riding to do. I don't like the wheel sticking off on a stupid angle. Not good. She's definitely
A little twisty.
right there.
That's pretty good.
Not bad. I guess as good as we're gonna get it. Put this baby back together and get back on the trail. Just a quick little simple trail fix. You need a 15 mil, a 19 mil, and something to pop off your
Cotter pins.
cotter pins. Yeah.
And your tire.
And your what?
Tire.
And your tire. Yeah, the tire is 17 mil. I'm gonna figure somewhere around there. We'll straighten this out. Straighten our bars out. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. More broken stuff sooner than later.